Today, I'm going to teach you how to reduce background noise in Zoom. Whether you're working from a busy coffee shop, dealing with household sounds, or just want to ensure crystal clear audio quality during your meetings, this simple setting will help eliminate distracting background noise so your voice comes through loud and clear. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next steps, as you'll need access to your account settings to make these adjustments. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the Zoom app where you'll see your profile avatar. This small circular image represents your account and is your gateway to all personal settings. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open up a comprehensive settings panel where you can customize everything from your video quality to your audio preferences. It's a crucial hub for tailoring your Zoom experience to fit your specific needs. Now that you're in the settings panel, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find several categories listed vertically. Click on Audio to access all sound-related configurations. This section controls how your microphone and speakers function during meetings, and it's where we'll make the necessary adjustments to reduce background noise. Once you're in the audio settings, scroll down until you find a section labeled Microphone Modes. This feature is specifically designed to filter out unwanted ambient sounds, allowing Zoom to focus on your voice while suppressing everything else happening around you. It's one of Zoom's most practical features for improving call quality. When you locate microphone modes, you'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal your options. Zoom offers several levels of noise suppression to accommodate different environments and situations. You'll see options like low for minimal suppression, which is ideal if you're in a quiet environment and just want to remove very subtle background sounds. Medium works great for common office noises like fans running or the sound of pens clicking. High provides aggressive noise suppression and is perfect if you're in a particularly noisy environment with lots of activity. There's also an auto option that intelligently adjusts noise suppression based on your surroundings, automatically adapting to changes in your environment throughout the call. Select the mode that best fits your typical meeting environment. If you're unsure, Auto is a safe choice as it handles the adjustments for you, or Medium tends to work well for most standard home office setups. After making your selection, simply close the audio settings window. Zoom will automatically save your changes, so there's no need to look for a save button or confirm your selection. Your new microphone mode will now be active for all future meetings. And that's it. You've successfully configured Zoom's noise suppression to ensure clearer audio quality during your calls. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.